Hey guys, this is going to be a quick review on my new Nespresso. I got the, I think it's pronounced Citiz&Milk Nespresso machine. With this, you get the machine, the milk steamer, which the base is attached to the machine. What powers the steamer right here. And then also it comes with this, a sample of their coffee, their different coffees. And so I'm going to show you pretty much, I haven't touched it, so it's been, I would say, asleep. So I'm just going to show you the whole process of probably how long it takes to make coffee. So before this machine, I had the Starbucks barista. I had to make my coffee and then steam my milk separately. So right now, the first thing I'm going to do is I can open my machine and press the button right there and then pour the milk. This is lactose milk. I like this milk a lot. So then just put on the lid. If you put too much milk, I went a little bit higher than what I normally do. Normally you can see the little black ball. I went a little bit higher, but the milk will spill over if you go way above that. So you want the black ball to show, but I'm gonna be here watching it in order for it not to spill over, but it shouldn't spill over. So you want to do that first real quickly, and then just pick out your coffee that you want to do. I think I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that was not an espresso. That's another one that I got as a gift too for Christmas, because my husband bought me several different brands. That one is called Rosso maybe, coffee. Purissimo, light roast, which is not really what I wanted. I think I picked the light roast by mistake, but I'll try it. And then I'm gonna press the button, and I guess the coffee machine had already warmed up while I was doing this. I like to put my sugar first. I just do. So that is up to you, whatever you want to do. But I like having my sugar in there first. I feel like it's easier. And then I'm just waiting for that to turn on. I'm going to prop my phone here real quick while I get a spoon. I really like this machine. I mean, I can make coffee so fast, espresso coffee for several people. And the other machine, my barista, I had to, empty out the, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, see, it's about to spill out. So I'm going to turn it off because it's about to spill out because I went above the ball. So just make sure that when you put your milk in, you don't go above the ball. This makes lots of froth. Look at that. There you go. That is some yummy looking coffee. Well, that's it, guys. That's all I have to say about this machine. I really like it for now. It's really easy to clean too. I just rinse it out real quickly, and for my preference, I'll put in a little bit of water and then turn it on again so that the hot water cleans it also better, and then dump it, and that's it. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching.